Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. In managerial economics and cost analysis, the short run is best defined as what? So what's the short run? Now, if you're working this multiple choice question on Farhat lecture, you could explain AI to tell you what the short run is in managerial economics and cost analysis. But hopefully you know the answer. Let's go back into the answer choices and see if we can find this answer. Is it a period in which all costs are variable? No, variable cost is not the same as short run. Variable cost, it means the cost varies with production. A period in which at least one factor of production is fixed. Is the short run related to fixed cost? I would say between A and B, I'm going to take out A, keep B, because the short run is, one factor of it is the production is fixed in the short run. What's the short run? Each company will have a different short run perspective depending on their industry and operation. A period less than 1 year. You cannot give the short run a specific time period. As I just told you, each company will have a different time period. Therefore, C is out. A period in which firm cannot earn profit. The short run and earning profit are not related. D is out. So the best answer is B. A period in which at least one factor of production is fixed. In the short run, there's not much we can do about fixed cost. We have to live with it. It's fixed, but in the long run, we can adjust it. We can renegotiate the contract. We could add more resources. We could cut down on production. We can do something, but not in the short run. In the short run, we are stuck with that fixed cost. So it has that fixed production aspect. Also, if you're using Farhat lectures, you could use AI to explain the correct and incorrect answer. And the best thing is you can create another MCQ to help you practice this concept. What should you do now? Whether you are an accounting student, CPA, CMA, studying for anything, finance courses, go to Farhat lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice, AI, flashcards, quizzes. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Don't shortchange yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.